everyone. Let's take a deep dive into the mystical world of budgeting techniques that can turn your financial woes into gold. Our first portion in the Alchemist's kit is zero-based budgeting. Imagine your income as the main ingredient and every rupee has a purpose, leaving no stone unturned. Let's say you earn 50,000 rupees a month. Allocate every single rupee to expenses, savings or investments. This ensures that you are in control of every aspect of your financial life. Now, let's talk about the envelope system. It's like labeling different portions for different purposes. You put a certain amount of money in each envelope for specific expenses like groceries, utilities, or entertainment. When the envelope is empty, you stop spending in that category. Simple and effective. The 50-30-20 rule, a classic portion in the Financial Alchemist's handbook. Allocate 50% of income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. It's a balanced approach that ensures you're enjoying life while also securing your finances. Now, let's sprinkle some magic dust with automated savings and investments. Technology has made it easier than ever to automate your savings and investments. Set up recurring transfers from your salary account to your savings or investments accounts. This way, you save first before you're tempted to spend. Expense tracking apps, the spellbooks of modern-day financial wizards. These apps allow you to monitor your spending in real time, categorize expenses, and set budgets. With a swipe of your finger, you can see exactly where your money is going and make adjustments as needed. Annual budget planning, the portion that lets you see the bigger picture. Take time at the beginning of each year to plan your budget for the entire year. Account for irregular expenses like vacations, festivals, or annual insurance premiums. This way, you won't be caught off guard when these expenses arise. Now, let's tackle those pesky debts with the debt snowball or avalanche method. With the snowball method, you pay off your debts from smallest to largest, gaining momentum as you go. The avalanche method, on the other hand, focuses on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first, saving you money in the long run. Last, but certainly not least, emergency fund planning. This is the ultimate shield against financial disasters. Set aside a portion of your income each month until you've built up 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund will be your lifeline in times of crisis, allowing you to weather any storm that comes your way. And there you have it, a portion for every financial ailment. With these advanced budgeting strategies, you'll be well on your way to mastering the ancient art of financial alchemy. Until next time, keep watching, keep learning.